some little baby. Family so crazy, let me just take it by Mercedes. I wanna put you in the whip, brand new 4G on it. Let me just tell you, little baby, you the one, you my heart, you my queen. Let me just tell you about everything. I done been through the mud, I done seen the thing. I done seen a lot of things I can never change. Hey, let me just tell you something, baby. I fell in love with you. Let my heart and it got my pain. Let me just tell you, we just had the kids. Let me just tell you about the rain. I'm my heart in the streets, and my love to the streets. Got my heart up in the streets. Let me tell you about beef. Hey, let me tell you about this beef. Hey, I got other niggas that want my head. I got a couple of niggas want me dead. Let me just tell you something, baby, I'm mad. Let me just tell you I'm stacking these bands. Let me just tell you I'm pull up in vans. Let me got skeeter, nigga, that's the mans. Let me just tell you about days in the pen. Let me just tell you about days in the pen. I was only 13, got locked up. I was doing 2 years on my head. I didn't know what to do. My mom was so mad that I ran into the fucking fence. Let me just tell you, I'm so fucked up in the streets. My head so fucked up. My head fucked up. My head fucked up. Smoking all this weed, trying to kill the pain. Pop all these zennies and help me through the rain. Let me just tell you something, me and my mates. Free all my babies that lock in the chain. I said free all my niggas that lock in the chain. Free all my niggas. Hold on. I say free all my dogs the chain. Free all my nigga out the rain. Me and little bro, we done been to the pain. Remember them days I'm switching on game. Remember my homie, he switched up on game. He told on the whole fucking shit. Free all my niggas that threw the rest. Free all my homies, so we put it to rest. Hey, I said free me too, it's backwards. That's my dog for the pain. Me and little bro, we been through the rain. Remember them days I was locking the chains. Remember them days I ain't have no game. Remember them days I was locked in the pain. Remember them days I was locked in the pain. I got out, my baby mama came up to me. Said your kid passed away. She done took the plain way. My nigga done beat her today. Hey, damn, that's crazy. Love you, gang. Go on.